Hi guys, welcome to Tech Buljeet channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to capture full-page screenshots or website view screenshot in Google Chrome on Windows. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest tech tips and tricks. First step is to open your Chrome browser and search Chrome Web Store and open it, then search here. Go full page and here click on Add to Chrome and now go for any website. To see how can we use this. Now see. I am on the website and want to take a screenshot of this long website page. See here in Extension section and click on Go Full Page Extension. See our screenshot is capturing and in seconds it is ready. You can save it from here. Cool. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe.